Hey guys, how you doing? It's your buddy Steve, host of Lunchtime Talk with Steve. I decided to make this video because people kept asking me what equipment I use to create my show because the show looks professional and sounds professional. So I just decided I'd create a video and we would go ahead and answer everyone's question at the same time. So let's go ahead and start with the equipment that we use. Now, I use the Blue Yeti mic, and just to show you what the Blue Yeti mic looks like, this is what it looks like right here. So this mic actually gives you a professional sound. I had to buy a software with it as well in order to get it to do different things. If you want more bass, if you want more treble, if you want, you want to put some highs in there, whatever the case may be. So, I had to buy that software separately. Now, what's so crazy is it's now coming with the mic. So, I mean, I really didn't even have to. If I had waited a little bit longer, I would have got it with the mic, and it's pretty much about the same price. This mic isn't too expensive, so you guys could just go to lunchtimetalkwithsteve.com, click on "You Asked for It" right on the top, and you'll see it on there. So go to lunchtimetalkwithsteve.com, click on "You Asked for It," and you'll see it right there. There's the website. So I'm also going to put it down in the link below, in the comment section below. So that's the first thing, was that microphone. That microphone is awesome. It is the Blue Yeti. It's great. If you want to create videos, and let's say, for example, you want to create, like we see those videos where people are eating and different things like that, and you want to do one of those videos where people are eating, but it kind of exaggerates the sound of the eating, the crunch and things like that. This has a gain on it that you could turn it all the way up, and you can literally hear a pin drop. All right, so it's crazy. So if you want to do those kind of videos, that's great. If you want to put it outside and you want to get video, you want to get sound of birds chirping, you want to get sound of anything. It's really easy to do it. And the thing is, you can record it right from your phone by using something like this. So what this is the adapter that goes onto it. I plug this side into the phone, this side the Yeti plugs into, and the Yeti would record right onto your phone. And again, you could just turn the gain all the way up, and you can hear birds chirping. You can hear, if you're out in the Everglades, you can hear alligators croaking. You can hear frogs croaking. You could hear all these different things, crickets at night. So if you really want to create some nice background sound that you can use for your video or your podcast, this is the microphone that you want. All right. Now, the next thing that we're going to look at is the camera. The camera that I use is the Logitech C920. It shoots in high def, so that's 1080p. It gives you professional look and everything. That also has a microphone built into it. So if you can't afford to buy the Yeti right now, you can get that one. The only thing is it gives you the ambient sound. So you want to be careful with that, because then you start to hear everything that's going on in the room where you're recording from. You really don't want that. So that's why it's better to have the Yeti, and then you just put the Yeti right here next to you, and boom, everything you do is right there. So the next thing that we will talk about is going to be the ring light. Now, the ring light is really nice. It's really cool. That ring light is 18 inches, so it's big enough in diameter that it gives you everything that you, it lights up everything that you need, because you don't want to have just light on the top and not on the bottom, then you're going to get a shadow. If you have light on one side and not on the other, you're going to get a shadow. So you want a ring light that is going to allow you to do that. It's also dimmable, so you can make it as bright or as dim as you want. And it comes with different colors. So you can, if, let's say, for example, you don't want it to be, you want to have a soft color, you can do different things like put the brown on it, or do different brown or different colors. It also has the chute on the inside, the mount, that you can mount your cell phone or even your camera if you want to. So that allows you to do so much more with just that ring light and that mount. It comes with the carrying case for it, as you can see, and it also comes with the remote control for the remote control for your phone. Through Bluetooth. You can just hit it and you can start your recording or stop your recording with the remote control for your phone. Now, in order to get the screens like what you see I have behind me, this is actually a green screen. So I have the green screen backdrop behind me just to show you what it would look like without the green screen, and just so you'll see it. Let's go ahead and turn off the green screen, and you see it's just a green background. That's all it is. So then I went ahead and put the green screen right there behind me, and boom, I'm good to go. So that is what we use for the green screen. We use the this backdrop, which is again not expensive. The software I'm using is StreamYard. StreamYard allows you to do so much more. It allows you to create different things. I can put me here and the video next to me. I can do it the other way around. I can, if I had someone else on the video with me, I can put side by side like you see on TV. I can do up to 10 people on here at the same time, so it's actually, I believe it's up to 6 on the screen and up to 10 in the waiting room. So basically I can just drop them and put them back at any time. I can mute them individually. I can do so many different things. And I can also post the comments. If a person sent a message, I can post it onto the screen. Just like you see the lunchtimetalkwithsteve.com website right here, I can post the comments that are coming from whatever platform we're streaming on. Now, this software allows you to stream on literally hundreds of different platforms. You can stream on only 6 at a time, but you have options of hundreds of different platforms. So you can go to, you can stream to YouTube, Facebook, to your website directly by using, they'll give you a code and everything you can stream to. You could stream to LinkedIn, to so many different ones, all at the same time. And not just directly to just one Facebook. You could do to a Facebook group or anything that you are the administrator for. So that works out awesome. I'm telling you, when I stream and I stream to so many different platforms, it allows me to maximize my viewing audience. Also, the other thing that we would need to talk about is Fiverr. Fiverr is the place where you would go if you don't already have a logo. You can go to Fiverr and they'll create a professional looking logo for you. And most times you get it back. You can get it back the same day or within 24 hours. And so it's awesome. The things that they do, it's really great. So again, these are the things that you can get just by going to lunchtimetalkwithsteve.com and clicking on the section that says you asked for it, because you did. You asked me for all these things, and I kept answering emails and inbox and phone calls and texts and all these different things. So I'm figuring, you know what? Just go ahead and do a video and answer everyone's question at the same time. So again, check out lunchtimetalkwithsteve.com. Check out all these different options right here and start your own podcast. You don't know what you're going to talk about? That's okay. You just it comes to you, the ideas, and whatever it is that you want to talk about. I guarantee you there are going to be 1 million people out there that want to hear it, whether it's a web show, a podcast, whatever. They're going to want to hear it. Again, like I was saying earlier, there are people who actually have videos of just them eating food. That's it. One guy has like over 1 million hits eating an apple. I mean, come on. Eating an apple. So whatever your idea is, yes, people are going to watch it. Go out there and make it happen. And I want to see it. So when you do it, just drop a link down in the bottom and let me see what your show is about. Even if you already started your show, just let me see what it's all about. Drop me some links down in the bottom. I want to see what you guys are doing. I want to see what what else is going on out there. And I'll share some of your information on my page as well. I have 18,000 and change on my LinkedIn, and I have so much more all over the place. So let's go ahead and share some videos, share some links, and let's get talking. All right, guys. Again, it's Steve, and I am the host of the talk show Lunchtime Talk with Steve, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Thanks.